So here we have the day. We have a 2005 6-liter Powerstroke with a no start issue. It's not building any high pressure oil. I think we found the problem here. If you look at this cap right here, this is an aftermarket cap. And this is stock OEM filter. And you can see the difference in size right here, the length right there. This is an aftermarket cap with the correct size oil filter. And this is the aftermarket cap with stock oil filter, and so that's causing your no start issue.